Well, it's good seeing you here. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good night, whichever one it happens to be for you. I have a video for you. It's going to be pretty simple. I'm working with this guy here, which is a 2011 MacBook Pro. It's got an i7 in it, 4 cores, I believe 8 threads, but for sure 4 cores. And on top of that, it's got 16 gig of RAM. I've already thrown an SSD in this guy. And what's the GPU? An AMD 6490, I think? Something like that. But it's already run into a problem here. I've run into this problem before. I'll go ahead and show you what that is. Right there, the recovery server could not be contacted. Now, I have a fix for this, but I need to do something else. So, the thing that I need to do before I work on this here laptop is I need to clean my kitchen and pick up a few things around the house. So, it'll be a minute before I get back to this. I'll walk you through how to make this recovery server thing go away. It's not that complicated. Be right back. All right, so if you want to fix this error and you don't want to mess with too much, here, we're going to go here. We're going to install our Mac OS. Click continue, let it load up. You're here at this screen. Before you do anything else, you're going to go to Window and you're going to click your installer log. And that's going to bring up this guy down here at the bottom. And then you're going to hit continue. And we're going to wait this out. I'm going to speed this up. Okay, finally, about 20 or 30 seconds later, this guy came up, which is fine. We don't want to hit OK. We want to click down here. And right here where it says show errors only, you want to click that and say show all logs. And what we're looking for is this line here. It's going to say something along the lines of failed to load catalog https scanapple.com blah 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 blah. We need to copy that, so do Command C and we can close out of the recovery server. Just hit OK, go to utilities, go into terminal, and now we're going to Command V so we can paste it. The reason why we do this is so we can change where the Mac is trying to find the server, because HTTPS doesn't exist. We need to change it from HTTPS to HTTP. So we're gonna copy this from here all the way until it says the last bit, which is catalog. Command C, then we'll Command V, which is fine, and then we're going to use the arrow keys to go all the way back so we can get rid of the S. Back that up one, boom, happy win. So then we're going to highlight it again, we're going to go to reinstall the OS. Hit continue, go to continue. We're going to wait it out for a second. What did I do wrong? So after some troubleshooting, trying to figure out what the crap I was doing wrong here, I'll show you. So we went back to this menu. We're going to go to utilities. We're going to go to terminal, and I'm going to Command V right, hold on here, right about, I'll get there, right about here should be a colon, semicolon. Nope, wrong one, back up one, go over one, boom. There should be that guy. So now we're gonna do all of that again. That's funny. So we're gonna copy it, Command C, which I guess I really don't need to do that. I could just type everything in here, which is NVRAM space caps IASUC ATALOG, and then we got to caps the URL, and then we'll equals that baby HTTP, and so on and so forth. And now we're gonna hit enter. Okay, so it's updated. Let's try this again. So we're gonna quit that. We're gonna go to reinstall macOS. We're gonna hit continue. And, you know, there we go. So, double check what you type in. I should have, clearly I didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue this install process, and I'll check back with you. We are going places. I'll check back in about 20 minutes to see how far we've gotten. It says 10 minutes remaining. This is a lie. This is a lie. 10 minutes remaining maybe on this screen. Well, I've come across my first error while doing this. It's just a white screen. I'm gonna wait this out probably 10 or 15 minutes, but inevitably I'm gonna wind up restarting it and doing the whole reinstall process again. This is just gonna happen with these machines. It's a brute force sort of thing. Eventually you'll make your way through it. Just keep on, you know, keep on keeping on, basically. I got impatient. It's been like 20 seconds later. So what we need to do here is we need to hit this power button, Command Alt and R. Can I reach it? I did. Wait for it to go back into internet recovery mode. And wait for a bar. That's what I do. I hold it until it gives me a bar. Boom. Okay. So I'm going to go through that whole reinstall process again. You do not have to change your recovery server contact. It is just fine. It will permanently be there until you wipe the hard drive or install a new hard drive. So, all right, so we're in. And here we go. We are now in High Sierra. Let's verify what I was talking about earlier. System preferences. Oops, not what I wanted. Whatever. We'll close out of that. Found this Mac. All right, so it's a High Sierra. We're 15-inch running early 2011, and this is our graphics, which is interesting. There should be another one. Where is my here? Yep, it is a 6490M. So what I've learned is I think this guy is broken, but that's a video for another time. So yeah, thanks for watching this, guys. Simple, just to get you in here. From here, it's entirely up to you what you want to do, but my next step is to disable this GPU. If you want to see that, it'll be the next video. See you guys later.